Now this is what you can see. We have the first opening, which is 80 cybersecurity position is hiring. So probably if you're going to apply for this job role, then you might get selected. First is VAPTA specialist, where there is three opening, but for that you want 5+ years of experience. OSCP CEH is preferred. GRC specialist 30 opening is there. ISO 27001 and ISTP CIDSS, and all those things is important to get there, right? SOC Analyst 20 openings are there. Location is tier 2 cities across India. Relocation candidate welcome. This is mail ID on which you can send your resume, but make sure to drop a subject line that should be this one. And like this is the example that you can put on your subject line to get hired, right? Now the next opening is SOCL3. Okay, SOCL3, someone is looking for SOCL3 in full-time work from office, that will be in Tamil Nadu. So there's a lot of things mentioned over there. So as quickly I was getting that, so I just copy paste everything. So just check it out from here. This email ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now next is next you can see here is security is VAPT. Someone is looking for 6+ years of experience. Delhi, Bangalore is the location, and you can see a strong understanding of application network infrastructure is required. Why to join them? Because they want someone who should have great knowledge, and that is like cybersecurity careers I read. Even security.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? And they want a VAPT guy, right? Next is SIM, Microsoft Sentinel. So you can join CTS Tech, and this is what they have: 4 to 10 years of experience required. Mumbai is the location, Mumbai and Pune. Immediate joining. They are the skills which is required, and they are the preferred certificate, SC200 Splunk certificate, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? So that's what we have. Now next opening, cybersecurity team, all level 1 to 3 years experience required for the junior. 3 to 5 is for mid, and 5+ years is required for senior role, right? Info@unlimitedinnovation.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Now data protection SME Hyderabad, the location, someone is hiring for data protection SME. Just let me know what is SME in the comment box at first. 7+ years of experience required, DLP and all the things you will see here. Subject line is what you will see, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Security Operations Center, SOC Analyst, Hyderabad, 8+ years of experience required. They are the key skills which is required, and this is mail ID and contact number on which you can message and you can ask. Like if you're going to apply for any job, if you get a contact number, then ask them why I'm not getting this work. Then probably that will make little more chance to get you hired, right? Now that's what we have. Cyber Coffee is another YouTube channel we have, which is in Hindi. VIH group slash TCI and VIH group slash SOC is the internship link which you can apply if you want to get something very practical. Now you can ask your question if you have something.